Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Epcot International Gateway.
Little Winnie the Pooh one, right? Wait, come up behind us. Or no? Come behind you. There it goes. It's coming out around the corner. There it is. But I'm getting over my fear of the Skyliner. I still have little bits. Things like that, or when it stops and it starts swinging, I kind of freak out a little bit because I'm like, oh my god, am I gonna die? I'm on it and doing mostly good. I'm a little sunburnt, but we're heading over to the Riviera for a little bit to kind of explore it. And then after that, we're gonna spend a little time at Hollywood Studios before coming back and finishing the loop at Epcot and then watching Harmonious. Studios, and Donald and Daisy were right outside the front gate. Donald is so sassy and dramatic, but we love him. I got some really cute pictures of him because he saw my camera. I'm like, oh, can I take a couple pictures of you? Because he saw my button and he asked about what I was studying. And I'm like, oh, I can take a couple pictures of you. And he like posed. The ducks, I love them. They're so cute and so sweet. But now we're wandering around Hollywood Studios. It's like obscenely hot and obscenely bright out here today. So we are walking back to Epcot, yeah. Yacht and Beach Club are back there, and so is the boardwalk. It is such a gorgeous sunset too. I had a little outfit change, mostly because I was soaked. We got stuck in a torrential downpour at Hollywood Studios. We were under an umbrella doing fine, and then the wind started blowing and it was all hell breaking loose. So we had to take a bus back to the beach club. There's some very nice cast members who helped us get plastic bags for my clothing because my shorts were about 20 pounds heavier than when I put them on, and the dye was running on everything. I didn't want to get it all over my white shirt, so this is just my clothing. Now we are headed into Epcot. We're gonna finish our World Showcase loop.
The Skyliner's back.
Oh, of course now the Skyliner's back, yeah. The sunset here is gorgeous though. We saw a pretty little rainbow, but now it's back to Epcot time. Introduce yourself, guys.
Hello. I'm Babe. I'm Caitlin.
And then this is my friend Kate that you guys might have known. It's Kate's 21st birthday, so wish her a happy birthday. But yeah, we are literally closing out Epcot. Yeah, there's no one here. They like shut off the Epcot ball for a second.
I mean, they were sick of us.
They were like, get out.
We were spilling the tea.
But yeah, oh, there's a monorail over there. Yeah, today was so much fun. I got to see Harmonious for the first time from the Odyssey. It was delightful. Yeah, so it was such a wonderful day, and I'll finish this when I get home. I just want to spend a little more time with my friends. Hotel room. It is 11:10. I was having so much fun at Epcot after we got back after the rain. It was literally perfect. We got to finish our World Showcase loop. I got my little Spike the Bee. The smoothie was really good too. I loved it. And now he's gonna sit and motivate me in my room. Look at his little wings. So yeah, I got that. I also got a Spike the Bee spork to put with my Figment spork from Festival of the Arts. Because it's cute and it was $2, so nice. Yeah, so we finished our loop. I got my smoothie, or frozen drink, what I don't really know what it's called. I'm getting tired, you guys can tell. We went over to Connections Cafe to eat. I really enjoyed my pizza. It was like the pizza I remember from Disney from my childhood, but way better. And then
Watch Harmonious.
oh, and then yeah, we watched Harmonious from the Odyssey, and oh my is like my favorite place to watch fireworks at Epcot now, because you got a really good view of like pretty much everything. There was a little tree blockage, but like you had the reflection of the fireworks over the water. It was just so perfect. And then on our way out, I met up with my friend Kate, and I got to meet her friends, Maeve and Caitlin, who I'd like to consider friends now because they were really cool. And we just had such a good time, like bonding and connecting and just like talking about things. It was just a lot of fun, and like we were literally some of the last people in Epcot. It was like the most fun thing. I really enjoyed it. Like, I wish I had a picture of me like there to like show you how empty it was, but like you could probably tell from like my last clip. It was just such a good day. I had so much fun. We did so much, but like I need to rinse off, take a quick little shower, because I feel like very hot and sweaty again, because it was another hot and long day. You can probably tell by my face that I'm a little sunburned. We're gonna hope this turns into a tan, because it always does. Yeah, just red, not really dangerous yet, so we're gonna take care of that. And I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys real soon. Have a terrific day.